for whatever reason, my kids choose to use this bathroom downstairs. I don't know why, but I decided to turn it into a little oasis for them. And I just want to preface this by saying this whole video is me struggling trying to pull this stuff together. I don't know why I thought I watched enough TikTok tutorials and YouTube tutorials to think that I could take this peel and stick. Because look at that. Look at this mess. And it didn't get no better, but I just kept going. Look at this. Yeah, y'all be asking me, what can I do? This is one of those things that I just didn't really figure out. I feel like I got a little better as time went on, but this was a mess. I'm not even gonna lie to you, but that door, ooh, smooth. Okay, so maybe I picked it up a little bit. Yeah, it's a mess, but if you stand back far enough, you won't see it. And I decided to keep going. I tried to do this marble countertop, and child, it had me so stressed out. I just ripped it on up and gave up on that. I let that go. I couldn't figure that out, but I kept going. I did the tape around the mirror. And why did I not realize until the next day that I had done it completely wrong? Because child, it just looked like tape. I fixed it the next day. Okay. These are the things that my kids did not care about. I tried to change the shower head out. I couldn't get it off. I had to get pliers because I got them a light up one. I almost gave up on that, but I got the pliers and I got it in there. Okay, we got it done. I got these stickers, I think, from Walmart and Amazon, and I decided to plaster them all over the walls. You'll see the finished results by the end of the video. I just want y'all to see how hard I struggled thinking that I was Chip and Joanna from HGTV and that I could redo this whole bathroom. Listen, I tried to get Squirtle, Charmander, Bulbasaur on the shower door. It didn't work, so I gave up and I put them on the wall. I found these little reminders. I'll show you at the end of the video. This cool little light up Pikachu thing. Look, I struggled through this whole video. I struggled with almost every single thing, and I deleted a lot of the clips. I even struggled editing the video. Look, I fixed that tape. Okay, I told y'all it was the next day that I fixed it, but I put all that stuff back. I even struggled getting these little toys out of the packages. Oh my gosh, I struggled with everything doing this bathroom, but ultimately it came together. It's really cute. And what mattered to me the most was that my kids loved it. They love it. Now they vow they'll never shower upstairs again and they're always going to be down here. I'm kind of glad about that. I'm not mad about that. Just saying, I got a bathroom to myself because they love their little oasis. I tried. I did my best. If you stand far back, you won't see the imperfections. They don't care about the imperfections. They just love the Pokemon. Tell me what y'all think. Love y'all. Bye.